clean out pipe here. We've tried the torch. We've tried this giant pipe wrench here. We've heated it. We've oiled it. And we haven't had any luck. So we beat it. You know, you can hit on it. You can oil it. You can try as much torque as you can. But eventually you're going to break this fitting. So we're at the point where we're going to have to drill it out. So what we're going to do here is I got a drill. Basically I'm going to drill a few spots in this, 4 spots or 6 spots around this lug, and then we're going to twist this lug and break it out. And then once we break that out, we're going to cut pie pieces out of the clean out plug and pull it out piece by piece. So that's where we're at. Talked to a few professional plumbers, and they said to do this job it'd be around $400 to get 2 professionals out. So they said just do your best. What I did is buy a cold chisel. This chisel is good for beating on metal. I think it was only like $5 or $10, and I'll drill some holes and we'll torque this middle piece out. And then once that's out, we'll be able to cut pie pieces out of it. So stay tuned and we'll give you more updates. The holes we drilled, so what we did is drill a series of holes around this lug, and then with the cold chisel I was able to beat this in and get a good starting point. So what we're going to do is beat around our holes here, open up the gap, be able to twist this off and remove it. And then once we remove this center portion, we'll cut pie pieces out and break it off little by little. So stay tuned for the next bit. Notches, top and side. I'm going to try twisting it out. Hopefully it goes. Alright, so we got her pretty loose. We don't want it to fall in because that would be like a whole story in itself. So we're going to slowly try to pry this out of here with what we can. Alright, so that's the first bit. Now we're going to cut pie pieces out and slowly chisel the threads out of there. So we twisted the center bit out, and what we did is remove, you can see the threads are here, came right out with it pretty easily, and that was just a pie piece in there. So what we've been doing is using the Sawzall and cutting little sections out. The secret is you don't want to mess up the threads in here. These pieces will come out pretty easily as long as you just break it loose. So we're going to go around and remove this whole bit and clean it out and clean up the threads and put a new cap in, and it'll be good to go. So we went ahead and removed all the bits from the ring, and we exposed the threads, and everything looks good. We're just cleaning up the threads. Probably use a wire brush in here, and once it's all clean, we'll measure the cap. I'm pretty sure there's a 4-inch cap, but we'll put a tape measure across this and order a new cap, and so no sewer gas is leaking in the house. But you want to plug this up before you're done with the job. Either have a new cap ready or have a temporary pressure cap, or put a bag or something, worst case. That's on the job. Hope you guys learned something, and first video, so maybe tune in for some more. Thanks, guys.